Welcome to the Om Astro. I am Chaitra. World famous astrologer Sri Shankar Hegde is here to explain about the app. Let's welcome him to the show. Guruji, namaskara.
Namaste.
What is special in your app, Guruji?
Actually, as you know, in this modern world, from ordering the food to going for the quickest bank transactions, we need one mobile app. So obviously, in astrology also, nowadays it has become almost mandatory. Okay, you can calculate Abhijit Muhurta for any place of the world by using an app. It will be accurate up to seconds. Okay, so in this Om Astro, I have incorporated many things. You can put your birth details simply. Okay, simply go to the home option, 3 bars you can see, and you can go to the home option and you can generate the horoscope. First, you please mention your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. Of course, the gender. Then you can save the chart. You can edit the chart, etc. So there are plenty of options like you can generate the accurate horoscope, the Rashi Kundli, Navamsha, Dashamsha, and I have incorporated Pranamsha for the first time. It is D1800. Okay, it will remain for just 4 seconds, and expert astrologers can rectify it very easily. And if you come to know about the negative planet in that particular divisional chart, you can go for the remedies related to that problematic planet, and wonders will happen like this. Okay. Apart from that, I have incorporated 3 dashas and specific Bhrigu secrets. Then, as usual, we have Lal Kitab options, but we have incorporated vratas, and then specific days, specific months, etc. in numerology section. Okay, but be careful. More than that, in this app, daily prediction is specific. Okay, it's almost accurate up to 60 to 70%. And the daily prediction will be for you. It will not be general prediction. The daily prediction will be for your own chart. You can check whether the day is favorable for your money transactions, business, education, stock trading, whatever. Okay, romance, whatever. Then you can plan it for the next day also. It is extremely user friendly. Then there is Panchapakshi option. You just press it. Okay, it will show the activities. 5 activities for the daytime, 5 activities for the night time. Okay, rule and it are absolutely good. You can select a specific day for doing some good thing, like starting stock market activity. Then select a good day. Then go for the Panchapakshi activity. Select rule or eat, and certainly you will make money. Apart from all these things, we have incorporated yoga system also for the first time. We have incorporated Ishtadevata system. You just simply press it, Ishtadevata option. You will get the required deities. You do remedies related to those deities, and you will get remedies like anything. Okay. So we are going to charge 180 rupees per month. Of course, it will not be deducted automatically because RBI has restricted it. Okay. So you please download it from the Google Play Store. The Om Astro symbol is in red color, and it is presented by my company Hegde's Astro Solutions Private Limited. Don't forget it. Okay, there are a lot of Om Astro. After downloading it, it will ask for 180 rupees. You please pay it. After paying it, you will get 1800 rupees per month, and that will be an expert digital astrologer. That is nothing but ePanditji. Omastro.in is nothing but ePanditji. You please log in, and you will get the password immediately through email ID. Please copy paste it, and 1800 units or rupees, whatever you say, will be created. For every option, it will cut 50 rupees. So you can go for numerous questions like, when will I get married? Shall I go for love marriage? Will it be happy married life if I go for love marriage, or can I go for divorce? But if your married life is okay, please don't go for the option divorce. If you are already in a good job, don't go for the option when will I get the job. Okay, so use it with common sense. Okay, and you will get very easy remedies like mantras as remedies. Okay, single line, 2 line mantras are there, and ePaniji is enabled for 80 languages of the world. You can use Kannada, you can use Tamil, you can use any language of the world. Okay, 80 languages are there. So for your 180 rupees, you will get 1800 rupees. And of course, this Om Astro YouTube channel is to give you lot of ancient knowledges of India which are vanishing, including specific tips related to mathematics, including music therapy related to planets,
Okay.
health issues. Lot of things are there. Simply download it. You will come to know about this. That's all. The app itself is self-explanatory. Simple.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So in our further shows, we will explain few more things. We will conduct astrology classes freely. Words living legend, astrologer Guru Shri K. Rauji is our mentor. My friend Ashutosh Bharadwaji is with me. Of course, we will launch another product, AUM, omastro.com. It will be a panel of astrologers and they will also serve you like anything. Okay? So all the best. Thanks in anticipation. Please download it.